So this next one's called the Camel. It's for extension of the spine, works the hips, works the thighs. It both stretches off the hip flexors. It also works rectus femoris part of the hip flexors. Away you go, Tanya. So you can have the feet. I prefer the feet, I can't even say this, I can't get my teeth in today. Tucked under. That bit of toe mobility works massively on gait. Might not feel like it. So what you're doing is just come back up again. So again, just stay there a minute, Tanya. Knees in that position there. What are you laughing at? Play around with the resistance, play around with the angle of pull. I very much do with this one. Anyway, decent resistance to start off with, because that's going to hold you in place. So from the pivot comes from about T12s to start with. Lift the spine. You're trying to get the sternum so it's flat. So pivot from the spine there, put the spine into extension from T12. You then hinge back, keeping the arms a bit lifted, almost like they're trying to be the same angle from the shoulder down to the line of pull, straight line. It's this, and can you take it as far back as you can? Now I normally stand at my hand under the chest, just a bit of psychological support more than anything else. So you pivot, putting the spine into extension, you work your quads big time. Now try it with your feet, with the toes flat, Tanya, see if that feels better for you. So it's big, yeah, that's the only problem. It's more of a cramp rather than anything else. And again, play around with the resistance, play around with the angle of pull. It's very much one that I do with people. Alter the angle of pull. Great for the quads, absolutely great for the quads as well as spinal mobility. And that's the Camel.
And heat.